What we have here today is a fan. Of course, everyone probably knows why. Because it's really freaking hot. This is just a regular little fan that you put. Wait, see, this is it. It's just one of these little 8-inch fans. And it quit. So that's what we're doing over here under the microscope. And I already can see I really need to get the microscope camera hooked back up, but for now you'll just have to see that this is a bearing and this is a bearing down inside here. If you look in there, well, for one thing, there was a string wrapped around it, so this is my fan for in the garage, Mahal. So I don't generally work on $12 fans, but when I need to, I do. So anyway, I'm gonna just put some 30 weight oil in here or graphite. I'm thinking graphite might blow out mostly, so looks like they had a few drops of oil. That's what we're gonna do. So here we are. We got some 3-in-1 oil that we hope goes out. Oops, yeah, in there. That was probably more than I really needed, and that's it. You can see here where it's been riding. You can tell it got hot, so that string might have had something to do with it. So we will also put a little of that oil over here with our little baby tweezers. Knock that down. It's gonna get someone that goes in there, so let's give it a shot. And there we go. We plugged it in. Start to see it moving. Because my frame rate is not the same, but I think there's a high on it. High speed. It looks like it's barely moving, but it is moving. Maybe I'll show you in the fan. And there we go. Look at that. That thing is good as new. No need to throw it away. I mean, all you have to do is take 10 minutes and you can get your fan going again. So, this is the weather guesser helping you on your needs to stay cool or hot or even. Alright, that's it.